Have you ever walked into a room and felt like all eyes were on you? That sinking feeling that everyone is watching your every move? You're not alone. This is called the spotlight effect, a common cognitive bias where we overestimate how much others notice us. In reality, most people are too focused on their own thoughts and actions to pay much attention to what you're doing. The spotlight effect happens because we're so aware of ourselves that we assume others are too. But studies show that people notice far less than we think. Let's say you give a presentation and stumble over a few words. You might feel like everyone noticed your mistake and is silently judging you. But the truth? Most people barely registered it, or they've already forgotten. They're more concerned about what they have to say or what's going on in their own lives. Psychologists have found that we believe people notice us 2 to 3 times more than they actually do. It's human nature to think the spotlight is on us, but in reality, most people are busy thinking about themselves. So the next time you feel that spotlight shining on you, remember, it's just your mind playing tricks. You're not the center of attention after all, and that's a good thing.